Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a solid anchor point, power rack or pull-up bar, and attaching the strap firmly. You want no more than a finger's gap where the strap meets the anchor. This prevents bounce. Once clipped, set the strap length so your wrist or foot reaches comfortably at the movement's end point. Make sure wrist loops or carabiners are snug and aligned. That alignment keeps load centered and reduces torque on joints. Once the strap is anchored and adjusted, position your body for the chosen exercise, rows, curls, or leg attachments, and brace your core. You should feel tension at the start of the rep, not a sudden tug. This gives you constant load and safer mechanics. Pull or push smoothly, controlling the eccentric portion to maximize muscle engagement and minimize injury risk. Keep shoulders down and scapula engaged. That preserves longevity and lets you lift more effectively over time. To finish, release tension slowly and step back from the anchor. Abrupt unloading can catch you off guard. Unclip and inspect the strap and hardware for wear. Replace at the first sign of fraying or bent metal. If the strap slips during use, stop immediately, reroute around the anchor with a tighter wrap, or switch to a locked carabiner. Don't continue with compromised grip. Remember, proper maintenance and conservative progression prevent most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.